Welcome to TRK's Man Cave. Well, today we are going to be working on these old X12s, Turtle Beach X12s. The rubber around the earpieces here is flaking off. I don't know if I can get you up there to see that a little bit. It's all flaky on both ear pads here. So I have purchased some new pads. Now I have another set of these X12s that I put these exact same kind of pads on, and they work great. They're not Turtle Beach brand, but they're a knockoff, but they work well. So if you want a cheap fix, this I think they're like around $10 on, Amazon. So I'm sure you could probably find them on eBay too, but these work very well. So I had a little bit of trouble on the old ones, the old X12s I replaced these on last time, of getting this stuff out without ripping it. You're supposed to be able to just pull it out and then put the new ones in. It's just got a really thin lip that goes down in a groove right here. So we are going to try to do that. Try to get them out first. All right. So you just work your way around this. These are coming out pretty good. Okay, you just work your way around this, like so, and looky there, it's off. As you can see, it's a mess. I mean, you could probably rub all that stuff completely off of it and put them back on, and they would probably be fine. But this stuff it's been going everywhere, all over me. So let's just peel it back real easy. I don't want to get any of it caught. The last ones I did, it was like it was caught in there inside, and I literally had to kind of roll it back. And if you notice, these headphones have screws in them that you can literally take these out, take this piece off, and get to the inner part of the headphone itself. I wouldn't recommend it unless you know what you're doing. So there's the old pads taken off right here. So the only cool thing about these old pads is they've got printed, Turtle Beach logos and stuff in there, but they're a mess. I might keep them just for a backup, and I might go ahead and clean up all that off of there. The rubber I can get off of there now. So we'll set those aside, and we'll get out the new pads. Now, these are marked left and right. I don't know if it makes a difference, but it does when you're putting the headset on to know which is which, I guess. That way you don't get your headphones backwards. Although you have this, you might figure out that you got to put this on your left ear. Okay, so let's go from there. All right, left ear. Now, what I did last time is I took and I kind of peeled them back like so. I don't know if that's the best way to do it or not. You just need to be careful not to rip them. I just kind of folded that lip back, okay, and then you need to make sure you get them on the right way. All right, let's just start working our way around now. I don't know if you can see that or not. Kind of just working my way around. Maybe. Might be making this harder than it should be. Let's work my way around and put that lip back up on there. Okay. Yeah. It gets harder once you get to the other side. I don't have a better camera angle for you. Okay. Now, what we got to do is get this one's actually on, but now I need to get it where it goes down in that lip. So he's kind of got to work it around and get it inside that lip there. Look at there. Okay. Let's make sure we're on there good. Actually, you can actually turn them a little bit so that they're lined up with the pad. Okay. So there's one on. This is cheaper than buying brand new headphones, or headset. I've been looking at maybe getting a new one, but I have this set, this X12. I've got another set of X12s that the wires are kind of getting frayed, and then I have a set of X32s, which I used to have working, but I don't have working yet. I'm mostly interested in plugging into PC right now with stuff. And these work. They work real well with a PC hookup. So the X32s not so much. I've tried the A40 headset. I tried the Mixamp Pro with that X32 set, and it seems to work, but the audio sounds like an AM radio. So I'm not going to use those. I suppose I might be able to figure out why that is, but I like these X12s. They seem to work really well. Okay, let's start the process again. I got that lip turned back, and I'm just going to start putting it over this ledge right here. Now you don't want to be pulling on this stuff too much, because I suppose you could rip it. It's not real firm. Okay, what you should do is probably start up in here first. Okay. Back up here. Getting close. If you can see it or not. There, got it up over it. Now, let's just go like this and shoot that one. Well, there's a little bit right there that needs to go in. Yeah, right there. Come on. You can do it. Yeah. Okay, now let's make sure we're lined up here, and it looks pretty good. Okay, there you have it. Right and left ear. So, now we got a set of headphones again. A headset that will work well. Wow, they're even more padded. Wow. That's really cool. Yeah. Okay. There we have it. Well, if you found this video informational and you learned anything from it, please give it a like. Hey, subscribe, share the video, comment, leave some comments, see what you think about these old X12 headphones, this headset. And before you leave, hit that notification bell. We will see you in the next video. Bye.